Clear basics, changing the way of learning. Please like, share and subscribe. Clear basics, changing the way of learning. Please like, share and subscribe.
Hello little friends, welcome back to our channel Clear Basic, changing the way of learning. Clear Basic family will together be a part of your successful journey and will also help you to enrich with all best possible contents in order to boost your performance. We all will accept a positive cooperation and response from your end. So please like, share and subscribe our channel for our latest notification and updates. Best wishes to all of you from our team Clear Basic. Friends, I hope you all are doing well in this corona outbreak. Wash your hands regularly and wear masks and maintain social distancing. Stay at home to protect yourself. So friends, without any further delay, let us start our session. Today in this video, we will cover the 7th chapter of Marigold, Once I Saw a Little Bird. Listen and enjoy the poem. Once I saw a little bird. Once I saw a little bird. Come, hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. Now friends, let us summarize the poem. Friends, listen very carefully. The kid interrogates bird whether it would stop hopping at the window. The moment the kid was about to reach the window, the bird flew away. Friends, if you have not seen our previous videos, then click on the I button on the top of the screen to check out the best to best contents. Now friends, let us move on to our next slide. Friends, let us know some new words and their meanings along with their suitable examples. Our first word is bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. Bird is a type of an animal that has wings, beak and feathers. A bird also can fly. It looks like this. Now friends, let us take an example of sentence. The bird flew out of the window. Our next word is hop. H-O-P. Hop. Hop means to jump over something. Let us make a sentence with the word hop. Rahul is hopping on the stone. Look at the picture friends. The children are hopping on the stones. Our next word is stop. S-T-O-P. Stop. Stop means to pause the action which is taking place. It is the opposite of begin. Now friends, let us take an example of sentence. The bus will stop now. Friends, I will provide you more examples, worksheet, interesting puzzles in our FB and Telegram group. So don't forget to join our FB and Telegram groups. Link is in the description box below. Now let us move on to our next word. Our next word is tail. T-A-I-L. Tail. Tail is an extended part of an animal. Friends, look at this picture. This is a picture of a cow. And this part of the cow is known as tail. Now friends, let us take an example of sentence. The cow has long tail. Our last word is window. W-I-N-D-O-W. Window. Window is an opening in a wall where glass is placed so that people can see outside. Let us take an example of sentence. Open the window. Friends, I hope you all have understood the meanings clearly. Now friends, it's time to discuss the answer of the previous day's surprise question. Check your answer, friends. The answer of the previous day's question is giraffe. It is the tallest animal and it has a long neck. Friends, I hope you all have answered it correctly. Now guys, it's time to reveal today's surprise. Let us come to the question of the day. The surprise is, guess who am I? Friends, listen very carefully. I am a colorful bird. I am green in color. Friends, comment your answer below. In my next video, I will discuss the answer with you. Thank you guys for your love and support. We hope you all will be with us in this journey. Then we can definitely accomplish our mission. See you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned with us to get the latest updates of our upcoming videos, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Stay safe, stay well, go with Clear Basic. Bye bye friends.
Thank you all for this session. If you want to be updated with the notifications, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.